Hello my friends, good morning. This time I'm going to do this video in English because I want to dedicate it to a very special person I have in my life, and I hope so much that you understand this. Okay, so let us say that we have a function f, which domain it is the set of the reals. It is a piecewise function defined by if x is lesser or equals to 0, it is 2 times x plus 1 plus exponential, which exponent it is minus x. And if x is greater than 0, we'll have 3 times x plus logarithm of x over x. And I'm going to calculate the tangent line, the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the f at the point which abscissa it is 1 without using the calculator machine. And I want also to express this that expression in a reduced let us say equation. So it will come very easy to understand. I think that the equation of a line in the reduced form it is y equals m times x plus b. But this is a slope, you see, this is a slope. But to calculate the slope, it is quite simple to understand, I think, which it is the derivative of f at the point 1. So let us look very well to this point 1, and the piece function I must take, it is this one over here that I am putting inside this rectangle that I am drawing with the red color. So I'm going to calculate the derivative of this, okay? It is 3 times x plus logarithm of x over x derivative. And to calculate this derivative, I'm going to follow the rule of the quotient. So I will get x squared, x times the derivative of 3 times x, which is 3, plus the derivative of the logarithm, which is 1 over x, plus 3 times x, plus the logarithm of x times the derivative of x, which is 1. I'm so sorry because I made here a mistake, so I must substitute this sign of plus by the sign of minus. I'm sorry. So now I'm going to continue with my calculations, but now I looked very well to this expression, and it was more simple. You see, sometimes we must put an I, very well done that I in the expression. And if I take the distributive property, I can get 3 plus logarithm of x over x, and derivative it will come more easy to calculate. You agree with me? So I will have the derivative of 3, it is 0, and the derivative of logarithm of x over x, it is x squared, x times the derivative of logarithm of x, it is 1 over x, minus logarithm of x times the derivative of x. So I will get x over x, it is 1, okay, it is 1 minus logarithm of x over x squared. And I'm going to evaluate this expression at the point x equals 1. It will come 1 minus logarithm of 1, which is 0, over 1 squared, it is 1. So I will get 1. Let us say if in this expression over here it will come the same value. So for x equals 1, I would get at the denominator 1 squared, it is 1. So here it is 1 times 3 plus 1 minus 3 times x, it is 3, plus the logarithm of 1, it is 0. So I would get, let us say, 3 minus 3 it is 0, so I have 1. Okay, I have 1, it is the same value, so I think that I made the correct calculations. Okay, so now in this part of my calculations I get y equals x plus b. So now I must calculate the value of b, and so for this let us put an eye in this graph. I'm going to draw over here a graph of let us say function f, and here it is the point, let us say a, and at the point a I have, for example, a tangent line. Okay, let us say the tangent line t, and at this point it is quite simple to understand. I have here the abcissa, it is let us say b, and here the image of the line and the function, it is the same. It is the same, as you can see, and this helps a lot to get the b, because if I take the value of f of 1, okay, so I'm going to look to the function. It is of 1, it is 3 times x plus the logarithm of x over x, and I'm going to evaluate this expression at the point x equals 1, and I will get 3 times 1, it is 3, plus the logarithm of 1, it is 0 over 1. So I get 3. So this means one thing very important. This means that at the point 1, the value of x it is 1, and the value of y it is 3. So to get the value of b, it will come 3 equals 1 plus b. So b, it is quite simple to understand, that is 2, okay, because 3 minus 1 it is 2, so I'll get 2 equals b. So now I get the answer, and the answer it is y equals x plus 2, and this is the formula, let us say like this, to the tangent line to the function at the point which abscissa it is 1, and so it is done. Now I'm going to wish you a wonderful day. It is lots of sun over here in Portugal. Enjoy, go to the beach. Okay, have a nice day, my friends.